Howdy, everybody. Thanks for coming back to the channel, or if this is your first time, thanks for visiting. Hope you like what you see. Okay, we're going to do an unboxing today. It's Saturday, the 11th of March, 2023. And I've been wanting a titanium knife for a little while and saw some good reviews of this. Can't justify the Chris Reeve thing right now, but I figured, hey, this might be a good option. So anyway, I went online, I did some research, and I saw that Kizer is a pretty good product. And we're going to open this one now. Just came like this in a decent box. Nothing crazy, but it seems well protected. Nothing's breaking. I'm going to use one of these, of my newer knives, to open it up with. These are recent acquisitions within the last 6-7 months. And been using them all, regular rotation. They're all very nice. Different steels on each one of them. Spyderco with Spy 27. This is the Benchmade 940. Oh, this is a Para 3 lightweight, by the way. Benchmade 940 with the M4 steel and jade handles. This was a, not DLT. I'll think of it in a second, but it was an exclusive with them. This is the Spyderco. This was the GP Knives exclusive with the white handles and the Rex 45 steel. And I dyed the handles this gray color. It was pretty easy, thanks to a couple of people that I saw the videos on. And this is the Benchmade 945, the little brother. So M4 here, but S30V steel here. All great, all really nice, and I'm enjoying them. So anyway, I think I will use, let's use the Benchmade, the 940. So I think that's called Cerakote on there. It's supposed to protect the blade because M4 is a little prone to rusting, I guess. But, you know, again, everybody says how nice this knife is. And honestly, it's not as big as I thought. I got the little brother first because I'm more a fan of smaller pocket, easy carry knives. But the more I use this, the more I said, boy, I'm going to go for the big guy and see what happens. And this has been awesome. Both very lightweight. Great action. This is still breaking in. It works, but still got a little ways to go. Anyway, okay, so let's open this up. Sorry for the rambling. Brand new, just hot out of the mailman's hand. Okay, here we go. Okay, beautiful. I hate these peanuts, but we'll take them. Put those over there. Put those over there. Put those over there. Hold on one second. Okay, the only other thing was some paperwork and one last peanut. No stickers, no swag, no nothing. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Looks a little dusty. Hope that's not mold. I don't know if the light catches it, but looks like it's been sitting there a while. But there you go. Kizer is the brand name. This is the Kizer Task 1 or Kizer T1. Titanium with an S35VN, I think, blade. S35VN. We'll find out in a second. Okay. All right, nice packaging. That's good, except for the outside being a little. This is nice on the inside. There you go. Boom, boom. Here's the model number and stuff, I guess, in case you're interested. 3.2-inch S35VN blade with a titanium handle. Okay, so let's get the other knives out of the way. It opens, let's try it like this. Opens up, nice. Kind of has a magnet closure. And then on top is a little card, a little packet. Looks like that. Some information on the inside. Again, that looks a little dusty, a little... Hope this isn't returned. I specifically asked about that. All right, here's the nice pouch. Okay, we'll look at that. And then you also get some screws, a little packet of screws. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 screws. It looks like there's already some blue Loctite on them, in fact. Can Loctite dry and then be put in and used? I don't know. If you know, let me know down below. Okay, here's the pouch. Feels very nice. Nice quality nylon. Nice little sticker on there, sewn on. Velcro, beautiful. And there we go. Okay, it looks like there's a nice clip. A lock bar. Okay, I'll take it out of the tape. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Beautiful. Look at that pocket clip. Nice little lanyard hole built into the back spacer, it looks like. That's good. No scratches. I'd like to see that. Now, I don't know if it's going to focus, but right by the thumb stud, there's the T1. You might be able to see that. And I can't even tell you the guy's name that designed it. That's the designer's name. Uli something, I believe. Here's the other side. There's a little information up by the, again, I don't know if it's going to come out. See if I can get the light to reflect. Right by the thumb stud. Supposed to say, sorry for the extreme zooming. There we go. I think it's the model number on top and then S35VN. And I think that's laser engraved, not sure, but okay, so, all right. I'm not going to even try flicking it because of the position I'm in, but let's open it up, see what it feels like. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, look at that nice. That's nice engraving. Let me see. Yeah, that's beautifully engraved. Wow, you can feel it. The logo, the Kizer logo. There we go. Again, as you can see, this is a not so professional review, photography, lighting. I like that. Feels good. Very nice. Chamfered edges. Everything's smooth. Everything feels good. Pocket clip's nice. Now this lock, I think this is the lock bar. That feels good. Let's see how it closes. Beautiful. Centering. Looks, hold on. Looks pretty good to me. Boy, nice. Fit and finish. All right, so this is like $175 knife. Okay, they give you free shipping. Thank you. And it's titanium. It's nice. Let me try one flick. Let's see. Don't hold me back now if it doesn't work. Ooh, boy, that was nice. Oh, now look at that. Right where it locks up, there's like a piece of, it's not titanium, I don't think. See the little different color there? It's like, well, maybe it is titanium. Maybe it's something special. If you know, tell me that too. All right, I guess there's washers in there. I think it's, might be ball bearing washers. Boy, let's see if I can, ooh, that's nice. Boy, does that feel good. Minimal detent on this. Wow. Very nice. I just, that came back. Look at that right there. See that? That's a piece of my skin. That just took that little, right where my fingertip is. That just took the tiniest little piece of skin off my thumb when I was bringing it back in. Wow. Oh my gosh, is that smooth. Beautiful. Okay. Sorry for just the half-assed presentation. Unfortunately, most of my videos are like that. I just kind of go for it. I don't, no script, no special lighting, no fade-ins, fade-outs. Maybe someday I'll get there. But, hey, thanks for watching. Again, I suggest any of these Knives are just really nice. That's the Native 5 lightweight. That's the Benchmade 945. Comes in green, too, the traditional green, which is really nice. That is the Spyderco Para 3 lightweight with the Spy 27, and we talked about the Benchmade 940. Here they are with the clip side. This deep pocket carry clip is fantastic. Okay, there we go. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a good day. Do good for other people. Everybody's going through something, and you can help them get through it. Okay, peace.